I travel a lot within Asia. I've been in Hong Kong, Thailand, and China on my younger years. Then I expanded. I visited other nearby countries like Indonesia, Singapore, and while I'm expanding my business offline. I involved in offline means, you go places, person to person, one-on-one, face-to-face. That is offline. I've been doing the business traditional offline mode. And then I got involved myself in online marketing 3 years ago. It's on and off because, I don't know the online thing. So now I'm enjoying my online world, but I'm not getting rid or I'm not saying goodbye to my offline business, my offline friends, because I know that my target market is my offline friends and my offline community. So online for me, I know doing online business, I know will leverage myself, my skills, my talent, and my traditional businesses as well. And I know through online business, I learned a lot from people all across the globe. Knowing them, their cultures, and getting to know them more and more, and how to improve myself more and more is one thing that I'm learning right now. So guys, thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity that I was able to explore myself. And I'm just starting. I'm just starting, and I know there's a lot more for me. So thank you so much. And this is just part of me saying ciao.